Hi there, folks. This is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialists. Please check out our website, www.truckandrv.com, to view all of our inventory. We are a full-service dealer. We do offer financing as well as warranty packages. If you have questions on those, please call my brother Luke in our office at 419-899-2020. For sale today, we have a 2002 Pleasureway Excel TS with just a little over 60,000 miles. Nice, clean Class B motorhome that's ready to hit the road and see the country. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give you a tour of the inside of this Pleasureway. I'm going to start up front, then I'll work my way to the back. I'll try to get you a few different angles of everything so you can get a feel for what it is like to be inside of this RV, and also so you get a look of everything inside of this. Up front, obviously, is the front passenger seat. Directly behind that is the rear entry door. Above the door, we have your control center, the remote switch for your own generator. That has 105 hours on it. Switch to turn on the hot water heater, and then your carbon monoxide detector. This Pleasureways use a nice wood cabinetry all the way throughout. It has the fantastic fan and the vent in the ceiling. We've got a 2-burner cooktop, kitchen sink, and then down bottom would be the gas or electric refrigerator. It has vinyl floor in the kitchen and bathroom area. Carpet in the front and carpet in the rear. The 2 doors on the right side, this one closest to the front here, closest to the camera, would be a wardrobe. I'll give you a view of the inside of that, and the restroom will be door number 2. We'll peek inside of those on the way back towards the front. This unit has a rooftop AC unit in the very rear, up there. The bed is currently in the down position. It is a power sofa bed. You just hold the button and it'll run up or down with power. The one table that is in the closet, you can then span this from here to here with the table to make the bed even bigger. If you do not want to do that, you do not have to. If you leave it this way, you could lay here and another person could lay here, and you essentially would somewhat have separate beds. Otherwise, it'd be most comfortable to lay crossways. There's the controls for the propane furnace and the switch for the power bed. This unit came from the factory with a VHS player. I'll run the bed up here quick so you can see that in action. Voila! Less than 5 seconds and the bed is up or down. TV. They're pretty good about creating storage in these units. Anywhere and everywhere that they can use for storage, they do use for storage. It doesn't look like a whole lot, but they actually have a lot more storage than you would think. Under the beds, up top, they use as much as they possibly can. This is the one directly behind the kitchen. Just some shelves in there for storing your dry food and whatnot. Swing back around here and show you the bathroom. This is a wet bath. Wet bath combines a shower and a toilet basically into one space. Shower head up top, bathroom sink, and then stool and shower drain pan. And then we have the wardrobe. Got the round table and the square table over here, rectangle table, hooks for clothes up top, microwave, Both front seats do swivel. You can turn both of those around to face the rear. Nice clean little motorhome. Somebody's taking really good care of this one. Interior is very good shape. Cushions, floor, trim, everything's in really good condition. If you have any questions on this one, please give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV, 419-899-2020. Thanks for watching this video. I put these together to give you a feel of what it's like to be inside these RVs, whether you buy from us or not. If you like this video, please comment, like, and share it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you and have a good day.